In this video, we will create and animate a simple pendulum using PowerPoint. Let's begin by creating the fixed point of the pendulum using a rectangle and a circle. From the shapes gallery, select both shapes, draw the rectangle and circle, fill it with color and arrange them together to form the fixed point of the simple pendulum. Select the circle from the shapes gallery and draw it to create the bob of the pendulum. Then choose a straight line and draw the thread that holds the bob. Select both the thread and the bob and group them using Ctrl+G. Make a duplicate of this grouped object. Now select the original bob of the pendulum and apply some shape effect to enhance its appearance. Change the color of the thread in the duplicate for easy identification. Now select the duplicate, go to Shape Format, click on Rotate and choose Flip Vertical. Next, take the duplicate bob and align them with the original. Then group them together. Move this combined set to the fixed point. After that, make the duplicate copy invisible by changing the bob and the thread color to white. Finally, send the portion backward using the Send Backward option from the menu. We are creating a hidden support layer so that the pendulum rotates smoothly from a fixed point, making the animation look realistic instead of shaky or unnatural. Now, let's apply a spin animation to the bob. If we apply the spin animation directly, you will notice that the bob completes a full rotation and then stops. However, we only want a small swing, around 40 degrees. To achieve this, first set the timings to duration to fast. Then go to Effect option, Settings, Amount, choose counterclockwise and enter a custom value of 40 degrees. Press Enter. Now we can clearly see that the pendulum swings up to 40 degrees. To make it return to its original position, we need to enable the Auto Reverse option. Go to Timings, Effect Options, Settings and check the Auto Reverse box. Once this is applied, you will notice that the pendulum swings back to its starting position. Now, we will apply the same effect in the opposite direction, that is in the clockwise direction. So, the pendulum can swing to the other side. Select Add Animation and apply the spin animation again to the bob. Then use the same setting as before, but change the direction to clockwise. Once this is done, you'll clearly see that the pendulum now performs a complete to and fro motion, swinging smoothly on both the sides. Now, we will draw the path of motion of the pendulum using a curve. To create this curve, we will use two different circles. Draw one circle and position it properly. Then draw another circle and place it above the first one. Adjust both circles so that they form the desired arc shape. Now select both circles, go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes and choose Fragment. After that, delete the unwanted portions, keeping only the required arc. Using this arc, we can represent the complete path of the to and fro motion of the pendulum. Copy the arc and create two more copies so you have 3 arcs in total. Let's name them Arc 1, Arc 2 and Arc 3. Arrange these arcs in sequence to represent the motion of the pendulum. Now apply the wipe animation to all these 3 arcs. For Arc 1, choose Effect from left. For arc 2, choose effect from right. For arc 3, choose effect from left. This setup helps visually represent the to and fro motion of the pendulum in a smooth and continuous way. Now we can see that both oscillation and the arc animations are moving in the correct direction. To make everything happen together, go to the animation pane, place freeform shape 1 and freeform shape 2 in between the two animation spins. Then set all the animation to start with previous so that they play simultaneously. Now we will adjust the start and end time of each animation so that they play in perfect alignment. Go to the animation pane and carefully modify the timing of each animation by adjusting their start and end duration. This ensures that all the animations are properly synchronized and played smoothly together. I've zoomed in on the animation pane to clearly show you the start and end time of each animation. Let's switch to slideshow mode and take a look at our final animation. The pendulum is said to have completed one oscillation when its bob, starting from its mean position O, moves from one extreme position A to the other extreme position B and comes back to O. And that's how you create a realistic pendulum animation in PowerPoint. Try it out and let me know how it goes. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss another video that I upload.